Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can use Squarespace and create your website. So first of all you will have to come to squarespace.com website, and here you can just click on get started, and here you can select your site topic. So for example, I want to create a traveling website, so I will select travel over here, and then I can click on next, and here you can select whatever you want to do on your website. So I can select some options and now click on next. Here we can browse the templates or we can build with AI. So let me just browse through the templates, and here we can build our own template or we can choose from these ones, and we can also select any option from here to see the related templates. So for example, let me just click on this blog and see. So here we have 7 templates. So I like this one, so I can click on that, and here we can start with this design. We can change your colors as well. Here you can see the effect applying on the template. So let me just choose this one and click on start with this design. We can create our account using Google or we can use any email as well, and we have some more options for Facebook users and Apple users as well. So let me just click on continue with Google. Here you need to enter your site title, so I can write KM Travels and just finish this configuration. So here you can see that's how our website looks like. So the design is looking pretty awesome, and we can click on this icon to preview the full design. So here you can see. We can also click on any button to move to the other pages. We have a pretty nice contact page, team page, and we have a blog as well. So here you can see. So the template is installed, and if we go to the incognito tab and we type this complete link, like here you can see we have /config at the end, which opens the admin panel. But if we just remove the config and go directly to the link, then this is our website. Currently it will be private because we have not chosen any plan, and if we want to log in, we can just type /config in front of it to log in to our website. We can close this. So that's it for the video. That's how we can install our template. In the next video we will see how we can edit template and how we can edit pages. So that's it for the videos. See you next time.